In this quick little video, I'm going to show you how you can create dotted patterns inside of DaVinci Resolve in the Fusion page. So this is the animation that I made in Fusion. Use some ellipse, basic ellipse tools to create this animation, and then I made an S ellipse. You can see it at the top corner over here. Then use the S grid to create this pattern, and then rendered it out, and then use the merge to merge on top of the shape. But as you can see, if I just zoom in, they don't look great at all. You can see the shapes getting cropped up in the between these two colors. You can see how ugly it looks. So all of this was fixed by this rasterize tool, which is available if you update your DaVinci Resolve to 21. You should see this tool. It's part of the Crocodile tool, and look at that. This looks absolutely amazing. See how they are segregated, and it can represent population or any other data that you want to represent. So yeah, this is the rasterize tool, pretty handy. And if I just reset this is how it's gonna look. Pretty ugly, but what you can do is go to controls over here, set the channel to alpha, go to the color tab over here, go to shape color and set this to image. So it's gonna source the original color that's coming from this transform tool over here. And yeah, you can then go to the controls over here. You can change the overall size, and you can go to shape section over here. You can change it to any custom shape. You can set this to a square, diamond, and you can set it to a custom shape as well, right? And then we have the position. Don't want to change that for now, but what we do want to change this shape size. So I can reduce the overall size of the shape over here, and you can increase the size black as well. Yeah, that is pretty much it. That's how you can create this result, and looks absolutely amazing. If you want to see how to create this entire animation, then let me know down in the comments. I will happily make an entire tutorial about this. Thank you so much for watching. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this was helpful. Hope it will help you in your upcoming projects. I'll see you guys in the next one.